Imagine you're planning your dream house. Would you tell the builder, just give me 3 bedrooms and a kitchen and walk away? Probably not. You'd want detailed floor plans, material lists, plumbing, electric wiring, everything. In the world of software, the same logic applies. That detailed plan is called the Software Design Document, or SDD. Here are the most common sections you'll find in a professional software design document, or SDD. First, the introduction. This section covers the purpose of the document, project overview, and definitions. Next, the design overview. This is where you'll find the high-level architecture. Is it client-server, cloud-native? Does it use microservices or a monolithic setup? Then, we have component design. This is a detailed breakdown of modules. For example, in an e-commerce app, you might have a product catalog module, cart service, and payment gateway. Following that is data design. This includes ER diagrams, database structures, and caching strategies like Redis, as well as DBMS options like PostgreSQL or MongoDB. Next up is interface design. This section covers REST API contracts, GraphQL schemas, and UI wireframes. Security and performance considerations come next. Here you'll find details on encryption methods, latency expectations, and scaling plans. Finally, appendices. This section includes tools used, libraries, design decisions, glossary, and references. A good SDD includes diagrams, sequence flows, error handling strategies, and scalability plans. A well-crafted SDD isn't just documentation, it's insurance for your software project. It prevents chaos, keeps the team aligned, and makes sure your project can grow and scale smoothly. So before you start building your next app, make sure your blueprint, the SDD, is ready to guide you. If this helped you understand SDDs better, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more detailed tech breakdowns.